So this is what I got done so far. Flatten it out. Put it back in there. I almost burned it. It was starting to burn a little bit, but luckily I got it out before it burnt completely through. I keep forgetting how hot this gets now. Never showed you, but this is what I'm currently using. It's a little hot. That's the hammer I'm using. That's the one I was using. Then I realized I was just too light. So then I moved to this one. My brush, my quench tank, which all that is just a 5-gallon jug. I cut the bottom off. This right here is the bottom. It's oh, right there. It's got some holes in it. So I just cut the bottom off because I couldn't use it. Oh yeah, that is forging temperature.